Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of creativity with the MYNT3D Professional Printing 3D pen with OLED display. This innovative tool lets your imagination come to life by offering adjustable feed controls, allowing you to regulate speed and flow for optimal control while drawing. With a temperature range adjustable in 1-degree increments from 140 to 230 degrees Celsius, you can fine-tune your creations to perfection. The large OLED display is a game-changer, providing real-time temperature monitoring to help you achieve a wide variety of effects. The kit includes 3 vibrant colors of PLA plastic filament, an AC adapter, and a slim, ergonomic pen designed for comfort and ease of use. Plus, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty, ensuring peace of mind as you explore your creative potential. So, whether you're an artist, designer, or hobbyist, the MYNT3D Professional 3D pen is your gateway to endless possibilities. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.